It looks like it's a crime scene. Morning, I'm collecting more samples for staining today. My gloves are clean, so but I probably should stop, do that as a habit. But my gloves are clean. So yeah, I'm going to collect samples to do some staining. There's some symptoms on it, but not to the extent. But hopefully in a few more days, they'll get to the extent that we want them, especially on the untreated floor. But yeah, let's go do that. So the reason I'm doing the histochemical staining, this particular pathogen, it has a period where once infection has occurred, it grows inside the plant without symptoms. And so if you look at this leaf, it's green, it looks healthy, right? But when I stain it, I will see if there are fungal particles inside the leaf. So I've decided to, instead of using the scissors, to use a cork borer to get leaf samples. So we'll see how this works. Okay, it's not much better than the scissors. So purchase should just stick to cutting using the scissors. So I'm going to take a break and go upstairs to eat some cake. My team lead made me cake for my birthday. Okay. So I'm going to put 1 ml or 1,000 microliters of the decolorizing solution, which is glacial acetic acid, so vinegar and ethanol, a type of alcohol, into each of the wells that contain the leaf sample. Once that's done, I let it sit for a bit before changing it. So I remove it, I rinse them with water, and once I've done rinsing them, then I'll add the other dyes to it. I'm sealing the plates in paraffin so that the liquid in it don't evaporate, because ethanol will evaporate. I let it incubate in the corner of that, and then I send the form. Once I see that most of the green has been removed from the leaves and they're translucent, then I'll go in and add the fungal dye. I'm out of safranin O, which I use to stain the plant tissue, so the leaf tissue. So I'm just going to make up some more and I'll be back. I'm checking the online inventory for the chemicals, like the location, if we have it, and how much. Once that's done, I find it, I'm in the room, I'm cleaning the balance because it's shared and I like cleaning it. That's a safranin O. It's a dark red, it's hard to see, rusty looking, and I use a small funnel. I like that one because it has a sprout. I can just add water in it and tearing it, which is making it 0. That is actually a pasture pipette or a drop-in pipette that I cut the ball part to act as a scoop. I weigh out the amount I need. See, I put the funnel into it and I'll just add water to it. I couldn't avoid spilling some of the safranin oil. Now it looks like it's a crime scene. 250 ml water. The blue fungal dye is removed and rinsed, then safranin oil is added for 20 seconds, then removed and rinsed. I put a drop of water, then I take out the leaf segments, then I arrange that on each side of the slide. Tried getting them the same size, but that didn't work out. But this is what they look like on the side. So I'm unsure if this clearing and decolorizing and clearing process was successful in these ones, because usually I have them incubating for at least 5 days, but I did all the procedure in 1 day. So let's see, because I'm going to be off
on holiday. So yes.
Let's have a look. This leaf did not have any infection. As you can see, there are no purple strings, whereas this leaf looked green on the outside, but it did have infection. It's those purple strings.
It's a windy day in Kingston City. Oh, oh my god, it is so warm.
Why are we such a nasty set of people? Look at the shore at Follies Beach in Portmore. I wonder if there are great blue herons in Jamaica, or is that an osprey?
Who's back from holiday? This is my first time back in the lab from March 6th, and today is April 5th, so almost a month. It was a good holiday, and I'm excited to get back into the swing of things, so come along.
These samples I had incubating the entire time I was away in what, March to April, and so now we have some more fungal. So these leaves were infected. So those purple cloudy things, those are fungus.
Look at the sun. It's like the phone's not doing it justice, but it's like it's dropping in. It's descending. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. Oof. Look at that beauty.